welcome to Kotlin lesson. Today lesson will be about getters and setters. So getter and setter. Getter are used to get a value of a property, and setter is set a value of the property. So in Kotlin, getter and setter are optional, and it's auto-generated in your program. So here, if we create a class person and we create a variable called name, and then we created the get, you just write get and equal to field, and then set, and here you pass the value, and then field will be equal to value. Now in the main method, if we create an object of the person class, here var person equal person, and now we will want to set the name to a specific value. We here pass it mark to the setter, which is the value, and the field will be equal to value. And now if I want to print it, it will print the field which is in the getter method. So let's run this code. Here it printed mark, which is get it from the getter